Hello everyone, I'm Nikki and welcome back to my channel. Here's a detailed account of my journey transforming a simple dress material into a trending V-neck Pakistani suit. I'll also be sharing how many meters of lace are required for this design, so be sure to check this video fully to know in detail about the whole suit design. I recently bought a beautiful yellow thread embroidery dress material. The set included top fabric, a stunning shade of yellow with intricate thread embroidery, lining and pant fabric, coordinated yellow fabric for lining and pants, dupatta, a matching yellow dupatta, completing the three-piece set. Unpacking the material revealed the vibrant yellow hues and the fine thread embroidery which immediately captured attention. Each piece was carefully laid out to highlight the intricate details and quality of the fabric. For added comfort, I decided to buy an extra fabric for the pants. The original fabric included with the dress material was not to my liking, so I planned to use it solely as lining for the top. Luckily, at the same dream home shop, I found the perfect match for the pants in Armani silk. This fabric is buttery soft and incredibly comfortable, ensuring I can manage the embroidered dress with ease. To enhance the beauty of the dress, I visited Dream Home in Rolla, renowned as a one-stop destination for all sewing needs. Along with my mother-in-law, we explored various laces, borders and tassels. After much deliberation, we chose a stunning white floral net lace with a scallop border. The contrast of white against the yellow fabric was perfect, adding elegance and charm to the outfit. We selected two types of lace for the dress: broad lace for the top, sleeves and bottom of the pants, thin lace for the neckline, adding a delicate touch. With the materials and embellishments in hand, I visited Kent Textiles and Tailoring to discuss my vision for the suit. The tailor was fantastic, putting all my ideas together to create the perfect suit just as I had imagined. The delivery was on time, and I'll be mentioning the details in the description. Here's the design plan we settled on, including the lace measurements. Neckline: a high V-neck outlined with the thin white lace to elevate the neck, required 1 meter of thin lace. Sleeves: long bell sleeves trimmed with the broad white lace at the end for a trendy look, required 1 meter of broad lace. Top: a long top with 2 layers of broad white lace at the hem, both front and back. I considered keeping just one layer, but I thought I would see how it turns out with 2 layers to add extra flair. Required 5 meters of broad lace. Pants: straight cut pants in Armani silk accented with 1 layer of broad lace at the bottom, aligning with the top's design for a cohesive and trendy look. Required 1 meter of broad lace. Dupatta: 1 layer of broad lace at both ends completing the ensemble with elegance. Required 2 meters of broad lace. The transformation was remarkable. The high V-neck, long bell sleeves and straight cut pants all came together beautifully, enhanced by the delicate white lace. The yellow fabric with white lace created a fresh, sophisticated look, perfect for any occasion. The silk pants added the necessary comfort and elegance to the outfit. Here is the final outfit. Top: long flowing with a high V-neck adorned with the thin white floral lace and slits at the sides for added style. Sleeves: long bell sleeves trimmed with broad white lace, adding a whimsical touch. Pants: straight cut in buttery soft silk with the broad lace at the bottom. Dupatta: coordinated with the dress, featuring broad lace on both ends for a touch of grace. I'm thrilled with how the dress turned out and hope my design choices were effective. Let me know in the comments how you think my ideas came together. Did the dress turn out well? Do you like the final look? Your feedback is appreciated. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope I gave you guys a beautiful and trending suit design and helped inspire you to make your next outfit like this one. Enjoy flaunting your new look just as much as I did. Bye bye.